Welcome to our cafe. What can I get for you today?
Hi there. Could I have the ham and cheese sandwich, please?
Sure. Is that to eat here or take away?
I'd like to take it away, please.
Absolutely. Would you like any drinks with that?
Yes, please. I'll have an iced latte.
Got it. An iced latte. Would you be interested in any of our fresh pastries? They pair nicely with coffee.
Sounds good. Give me the croissant, please.
Perfect. That's a ham and cheese sandwich, an iced latte, and a croissant. Is there anything else I can get for you?
No, that should be all.
Great. Your total comes to $15. How would you like to pay?
I'll pay with my credit card.